Yellow, it's trying to start, and there we go. We are red. This is the point. This is important. We need to come over here, and we need to check. We need to wait. It's going to take a little bit. There we go. There's live Facebook. It says we're live. Okay. It's showing this. Okay. We go to YouTube. And let me give it a minute. There we go. Live now. She says Training and Testing Friday. Yay. That's us. All right. So now we're live. We can see that we're live here on YouTube. We can see that we're live here on Facebook. And I wish we could have seen that on Sunday. It's gotten better since then. Okay, so at that point, we're actually streaming now. Or at this point, we're actually streaming. Me or Andrea will be over here doing this. And what you see up here, you'll start seeing over there. It is what we call the kiosk. See it? And that is about 15, maybe 20 seconds behind this. Okay? So we would let this normally go through all the way to the end. I'm not doing that. I'm going to hit welcome, come here and say quick play. There we are. We're at the Welcome to the Winterville Church of Christ. We've got our little label, our little banner there telling everybody welcome. We've got our live scene, and now we would go in and go through our actual service. Once we get in here and Winfred is talking, one of the things that has to be done, make a note of this so that in case somebody forgets. See it up here, it says presenter view, and it says off. We want that on. Click off so that it changes that little blue button over to where it's on. If you don't click it to on, you'll be going along trying to use this, and then it'll try to auto-save, and it will take 30 seconds, and you might miss something. Somebody could be in the middle of singing a song, and you need to change to the next page, and you can't because it's trying to do save, because it thinks that you're in the edit mode and you're creating something. Okay? So now, this is how we would use it. You just change the welcome to introduction, opening prayer, first song selection, and then here's our first song. There's the...
How do you put all those different songs in there?
Oh, I do that. I build that at home. It takes a process. That's a process. That's another lesson. That's a whole other thing. And you have to have a specific program to be able to do it. All right, so here's the song. I was sinking deep in sin, far from the peaceful shore. Everything looks good. Keep going till we get to the end. And then we do scripture reading. And I have a phone call. So we're going to kill this. Junk phone calls. Anyway, scripture reading. There's our scripture reading. Abide in me and I in you. Second page. I am the vine, you are the branches. Prayer. All right, and we would move all the way through the whole thing. Eventually we would be done and have a closing prayer. And then when we're done, we say thank you. Where is it? It's all the way down the bottom. Of course it is, because that's where you normally put it. You say goodbye, thank you for joining us. And when we see that that's on for long enough, we come down here and we say Stop all streams. We wait for it to show up. When it shows up, then you hit stop all streams.